Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This looks very different because I'm at home in my basement right now filming this. I went ahead and I grabbed something. It's not really Easter related, but for this week we wanted to do something sort of Easter related. So it is egg shaped, and that is the Zuru Smashers Mega Light Up Dino. Yeah, check that out. This is over 25 surprises. I light up and roar, press and try me. Series 4 Dino, so we gotta make sure that's Series 4. Smash, fizz, build, and more. Smash, slime, fizz, stretch, fine, build, and more. Collect all the Smashosaurs. This includes 1 epic dino egg, 1 meteorite bag, 1 scratch and find map, 5 glow-in-the-dark stickers, 1 glow-in-the-dark lava slime, 1 fizzy lava volcano, 1 color change slime, 1 stretchy lava foam, 4 mini smash eggs with 4 surprise characters, 1 smash egg rebuilder, 1 smashosaur, 1 DNA tube, 1 instruction sheet, 1 collector's guide. Wow, this comes with so much stuff. Now, I know the video format and audio might be different, compared to the other videos. Like I said, I am at home filming this, but let's open this up. Damn, this comes with a lot. You know what? I didn't come prepared. I don't have anything to open this. Oh, I have my keys in my pocket, actually. Let's do that. Let's see if this works. I don't think that's how we're supposed to open it. Put the keys down. I think I should have come with scissors. Would have made this a lot easier. Try the keys again. But you gotta break the plastic. There we go. Alright, now I actually forgot to show you guys that you can click this button right here. You hear that dino sound? Alright, so let's see. How do we open this up, huh? I'm like afraid. Smash this open? Yeah, just crack that thing right open. Alright, now inside, alright, we got our stickers. Glow-in-the-dark stickers, it says. Very nice. This comes inside. Smashers. Now this looks like it's the instruction booklet. Dang, I really did not come prepared. Just have to use my keys. Sorry if you guys hate that key rattling sound. Alright, let's see. Get rid of this thing. This is the instruction manual. Shows us what we need to do. Dino fact. Spinosaurus were the biggest of all carnivore dinos, and scientists think that they were the first dinosaur to ever be able to swim. Okay. Oh, so we got the Spinosaurus that we're going to be assembling here. And on the other side, it's a scratch map. Every dino has a tale to tell. Do you lava dinosaurs? How much do you volcano? You're heading in the right direction. Everybody wants a pet dino. So we got all these puns here for this scratch map. Oh, the lighting here is different than what I'm used to at the studio. That's the instructions. All right, so should we do the this scratch thing? I'll use the keys again. I'll use my keys to be my scratcher. Alright, so the first one I scratch off says color change sand. Let's see if I can get this to you guys. The camera's further away than what I'm used to as well. Alright, so let's open this up. See what we have inside here. Got a whole bunch of stuff. This one came with a lot of things. Alright, should we set these aside while we figure out? Alright, so number one, right, was the color change sand. So that'll be this thing. So we can play with some color changing sand. Let's rip that open. Wow, this was sealed pretty well. All right, we got some color changing sand here. Oh no, this is gonna be messy. Okay. Oh, and it comes with, we got one piece of our Dino. Set that aside. All right, so this is the sand here. It's orange. Now, what about this is color changing? Maybe it's because it is already out here. It's orange. I can kind of see hints of yellow as I play with it, but maybe it's because of the temperature that's in here already. This reminds me of kinetic sand. But anyways, super fun to play with. I love the like the sensory of it. I don't know too much about this color changing though. So we'll set this aside. See if it changes color. Set that right there. It is looking like maybe it goes from yellow to orange because I do see hints of yellow on there. And next up, scratch off number 2 here. I feel bad you guys have to listen to this. All right, number 2 is lava slime. And that is this thing. Wow, I love that this comes with a whole bunch of different stuff, whole bunch of different sensory things. Very cool. All right. I had trouble with the color changing sand, so this one's also going to give me trouble. So they really seal this up. There we go. All right, we got some lava slime. Oh. Also orange. Oh, super gooey. This one came with a couple of all other pieces. We got the legs now. Check that out. Oh, slime is great, but I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of slime myself. I mean, this is great slime. If you guys are into slime, this feels very slimy. Look at that. Ugh. All right, let's see if I can get all this slime off of the other leg. Here's the other leg. Set that down. Look at this. Oh, it feels so goopy. You hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear that. Very different from the sand, but wow, very cool though. Oh, my hands are slimy now. Let's leave that there. To clean myself off. All right, we got our slime. How much do you volcano is the next one. Number 3, we're scratching this off, and this is, all right. Here's number 3. That's this thing right here, which is the Fizzing Lava. The instructions on the bottom. Now this says, peel this off. Oh, we need water, so I actually do have to come back and with water because I was not prepared for water here. And I don't think I have any down here. All right, so let me go get water. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with water. I actually didn't know. Do I need cold or hot or cold? Maybe it doesn't matter. All right, anyways. I'm gonna peel this off. Peel this back. All right, inside. I don't know if it's hard to see. Should we do it with the? We'll do it with the stuff inside. But let's see how this turns out. It's bubbling inside. I know it's hard to see, but it is fizzing. It's pretty cool. Try and hold it up to the mic so you guys can hear it. Trying to see. Oh, I spilt it. Alright, anyways, I'm going to take out the, what do we got in here? The claws. Alright, we got the Dino claws in this one. Set them aside. Let that fizzle over here, which is pretty cool. Making a mess. I don't have anything to clean this up with. But, you know, that's the fun of these kind of toys, you know? Even though it's messy, we're having fun. Alright, what's next? We're on to level 4 already. Or whatever, not level 4, but you know. Our 4th thing that came in this thing. This is pretty fun, guys. I like this a lot. This is pretty cool. Alright, next up is the foam. Which is right here. We got Stretchy Foam. Let's open this one up now. My hands are actually like sticky. My hands are getting really sticky from all this. Ooh, these are tough to open. I should have gotten scissors when I went to go get water. Alright, there we go. Alright, so the Stretchy Foam. This came with the head. Oh, this table's gonna need a thorough cleaning. Alright, the foam. So the foam looks like this. It's crunchy. There's the foam. It's very crunchy. I don't know if I would say it's stretchy foam, but it is like a whole nother texture. There's so many different textures here to play with, which is awesome. If you guys are into, like, you know, slime, the sand, this foam stuff, comes with everything. Everything you want. All the sensory touch stuff, you know. Pretty crazy. Wow, this is a mess. Alright, I'm double checking the color changing sand, and it's still orange. So, maybe it needs more heat? I'm going to apply more heat to it. Just to go back, you know, just to go back and see if it will color change. Yeah, so I think it's orange naturally, but when you apply heat to it, like a lot of heat, it's going to be yellow. So it gives it's hard to see in this lighting, but it does turn a little bit yellow. Maybe I need more. Maybe I need to create more heat. It becomes yellowy. Alright. Next up. I want to make sure that I'm able to show you guys everything. Everybody wants a pet dino. Alright, next up is this. This shows a green... This shows like a green thing. Alright, so now, is it this? The light up dino? Oh, this is the body. This is the body. Oh, is the light up green thing the what was on this? Don't throw this out, guys. All right, inside. Should I take out the it's being held by rubber bands. All right, so we can actually take this core out. There we go. All right. All right. So now, how do we assemble this? I think the body. Okay, the body opens up. Which way does this go? All right, we put it in. Let's assemble our dinosaur. Got the legs. Oh, this one's a slimy one. This one came from the slime. All right, this is cool. We get all these sensory toys and a dinosaur. And a light up dinosaur. And we're not even done yet. We still have like our mini ones to go. Alright, I'm having trouble with this one. Assembly does require a little bit of force. Put the tail in. The tail, I believe, is what triggers the sounds. Oh no, this one has stuff stuck in the head. I have to dig it out with my keys. There's some of the foam in there. All right, look, we got a light up dinosaur. So cool. All right, and then all you got to do is move the tail to activate the sound. Yeah, that's so cool. Leave this guy right up here. All right, so lastly, we have a few of these ones, these eggs. All right, we got a few of these smashers here. All right, this guy gonna stop. We got a few of these eggs. It came with 4 of them. So we can open up these mini ones and see what we got. Damn, this came with so much, guys. It's having trouble. That's what happens when I'm not prepared. Don't bring scissors or anything. Oh, I dropped this one on the floor and it smashed. I mean, that's the whole point, but so this is who we got. Well, a little dinosaur. This one looks like a little moose dinosaur. Look at this little guy. All right, I'll try not to let it smash on the floor because we missed the whole point of it. Sorry guys, I have to use my teeth to get this plastic off. Alright, so the whole point of it is that it smashes and then it opens up into something. There we go. We got this guy. Pretty cool looking. I like that he's like a transparent orange. I can't believe I ruined the first one for myself like that. Alright, that was smoother. Oh no, this one didn't smash that well. There we go. This is fun. This is so cool. All right, this one looks like a mammoth. Super cool. Look at these little guys. All right, one last one, and that's it. And we're done with the Zuru Smashers Series 4. What was it again? There was a whole lot of stuff. 25 surprises? I wasn't even counting. Oh, that's so satisfying. All right, this one looks like we got a... Oh, it's like a bug stuck in like amber. That's pretty cool. All right, this one also has it looks like you can, like, there's something with it maybe. You can like put it somewhere. I don't know. But I think that was everything. I think we covered everything that that was in this thing. Alright guys, well, that was, oh, here we go. I see the color changing sand. Alright, so I'm going to give some disclaimers for you guys. The glow-in-the-dark lava slime says mix slime thoroughly for best glowing results. Expose the slime to a light source to make it glow brighter. Alright. And the color changing sand says the color sand reacts at 31 degrees Celsius after playing with hand. Do not put in contact with direct heat or flame. Okay. I don't know how well I did reading that, guys. But anyways, that'll be shown on here. But thank you guys so much. Once again, this was the Zuru Smashers. This was like that big egg one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was actually, I really enjoyed discovering all this stuff. This was super cool. Look at all the stuff this comes with. We even got the stickers. Come on, we forgot about the stickers. But, you know, they came with it. We got the big dinosaur. We got sand, slime, this foam. We got some fizzy stuff. We got 4 of these guys. I had so much fun playing with this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me go through this. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button. Like this video. Leave a comment below. Tell me if you guys enjoyed this stuff. Which one was your favorite? What kind of little smashers did you guys get? The Dino Smashers. Personally, I think I like the way the sand feels the best. This like sand thing, this soft sand. I really like it. I'm not a big fan of the slime stuff. It's too like slimy for me. I'm not into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was kind of long, but I liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.